gorgeous. The markings on the abdomen are kind of a lime colour. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hoverfly. Just show you the habitat, because this is the most popular place when the sun comes out. You can hear probably the hairy-footed flower bees whizzing round my head. They absolutely love this in the sun. So many different solitary bees. Brimstones. This is probably the first day of actual sun I can feel. Without rain as well. Fantastic. Don't be fooled that this is in flower. It's the 2nd or 3rd of March 2026. This is one's called April Fool because it's a late flower. Well, obviously it's not April. But this Euonymus is so much a popular spot because of the sun every year. The Pyrrhus is greener than normal. The bugs, the shield bugs love it. Some of the bulbs are coming out beautifully. It's rather nice. You see, look, that's the popular Euonymus there in the sunshine.